If we meet the locking wafer that has trouble, how to solve it by 2m2tank key cutting machine. Remove the pin. Get the cylinder from the lock. Remove the wafers and put them in order. We can see every wafer has a number. It can be regarded as a key bidding. And then write down every number from the locked wafer. If it is ready, please cut by bidding on the menu and search HU66. It shows key blank 31. And next, install the key on the clamp depending on the picture. If it's ready, and then input the key bidding from the wafers. It looks nice. Input all wafers into the lock. Insert the key into the lock. Please have a watch. We found one wafer has trouble. We found that not all wafers are right. We can judge from the bump. The last wafer may be number 4. We'll change it into number 4. And then we'll install the key and cut it again. Please click Cut on the menu. Two is changed into 4. Let's have a watch if it is all right. The last one still has almost a little trouble. Because this is not the original lock, locksmiths always meet this trouble. Let's study how to do it. Click Standard Mode. Select Adjust. We should adjust the depth of the last cut. Click the value. Please -30. If finished, please click OK. Install the old key and we'll cut the 3rd time. Finally, click Cut. We only use a piece of key blank to cut 3 times. The importance of the video is how to adjust the depth. It is okay now.